Hi Tozy Gang. In this video we are going to learn about how to enhance a normal video to a Topaz level quality. Guys, I know that on mobile there are many apps available for video enhancing, but most of them don't give good results. One of the best apps used to be Remake, but it doesn't work properly anymore. Also guys, the secret app I am going to use for enhancing will be revealed at the end of the video. First of all, I want to give you some important tips for video enhancing. Tip number 1. Always use a high quality source video. Tip number 2. Don't enhance your clip after editing. And tip number 3. Don't export your clip multiple times because every export reduces the quality of the video. So guys, if you understand that these tips, let's start the tutorial. First of all, you need to import your video into the secret app. After enhancing, you can see the before and after results. The video look much better. After that, you need to import my CC, which you can find on our Telegram channel. Then open Alight Motion or After Motion, whichever app you use, and import my CC there. And that's it. Your video will get a slight Topaz-style touch. You can clearly see before and after results. The video looks very much more enhanced. Guys, you can find all the material on our Telegram channel, including the APK and the CC. If you like the video, please like it, and let's complete the goal of 100 likes on this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.